Definitely important thing is about engagement, and it matters a lot, for example, with Google. So make sure that you care about business side enough to make the person stop over your email, come back to it, reread it, because then you build engagement, which gives you higher sender scoring.
What's great right now is that you can add more channels into email, like incorporate SMS or LinkedIn outreach, so you can ensure that there will be more prospects that you will get a reply from. So adding more channels into your communication workflow is something that it's definitely great, and it's a trend to follow.
It's super cool to see, for example, companies like Woodpecker to offer free email list cleaning or other deliverability measurements for their customers. So it's pretty cool to see more and more holistic approaches that starts with why, what kind of value to whom we want to deliver, and what kind of channels we want to utilize in order to maximize that kind of probability.
I think this year artificial intelligence methods could become very popular in our field. For example, for sending time optimization, because it allows you to send at the best time when you have the highest chance to interact with your receiver.
There are many trends, but I would rather focus on challenges that are in front of us, especially related to iOS changes and ability of losses of data tracking of our emails.
Consistency would be the one. Consistency across the whole members of the team who are sending that. So if you have a specific domain for sending outreach, make sure that everybody is consistent.
Obviously, using AI, ML in the tools, having artificial intelligence marking the replies as a hard yes or hard no, calculating on the correlation between deliverability ratio versus sending hours or topics.
From what I have been reading, there is a lot of new possibilities of personalizing, so that would be one thing.